In this tutorial, we will review how to share presentation slides as a Zoom virtual background. First, open the Zoom application from your desktop and select New Meeting. Click the Share Screen button located in your meeting controls. Next, click Advanced. Click PowerPoint as virtual background and click Share. Browse and select the PowerPoint presentation file and select Open. Click the Start Video button located in your meeting controls. Once the presentation has been imported, the PowerPoint slides will be shown as your virtual background and your video will be imposed over the slides. In this tutorial, we reviewed how to share presentation slides as a Zoom virtual background. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.